This is our garden, and we like to name all our plants, doesn't everybody? This is Elvira.
No, not
and
everybody.
We call her Elvira because she got these dark flowers. They're kind of black, right?
Yeah.
And then we have all these other things here. We got the white prissies, That used to be Pinky. She used to look a lot better, but anyway. And we painted this whole ugly dark brown wall, made it pretty.
We
right?
just got bored one day.
Huh?
We just got bored.
Yeah, we did. And then this is artie. We think these are artichokes, but we're not really sure. Anyway,
I don't know. I don't think those are artichokes.
you don't?
No, not really.
Okay. Well, anyway.
The last part of our garden journey is what we call the Three Stooges. This is Spike. Then we have Cactus Jack. Then we have the Dildo.